Good morning student, this is your science period and today I will explain you our lesson 3 food and health. Student, today we have to understand non-communicable diseases. Diseases that do not spread by the transfer of the germs from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. The diseases which do not spread by the transfer of the germs from one person to another, they are called non-communicable diseases. Some of the non-communicable diseases are: first is allergies are caused when a person is sensitive to certain substances like dust, pollen, milk products and drugs. When a person is very sensitive to certain substances just like dust, pollen, milk products and drugs, allergies are caused. Second is some diseases like diabetes and arthritis occur due to improper functioning of certain body parts. Third is diseases related to heart, mostly caused by overeating, eating fried food and junk food. Heart defects may also be present by birth or passed down from parents. When we are overeat something or eating fried food or eat lots of junk food, diseases related to heart mostly occur or caused by. Heart defects may also be present by birth or passed down from parents. Fourth is some diseases like cancer caused due to unhealthy practices like smoking and excessive drinking of alcoholic beverages. Some non-communicable diseases are caused by deficiency of nutrients in our diet. They are classified as deficiency diseases. Details about some deficiency diseases are given in the table below. Deficiency disease, how it affects the body, caused due to lack of food which have these vitamins or mineral sources. The first deficiency disease is night blindness. And how it is affect the body? Person cannot see in dim light. In night blindness, person cannot see in dim light. Caused due to lack of vitamin A. Due to lack of vitamin A, night blindness is occur. We should eat green leafy vegetables, mango, carrots, papaya, egg yolk, pumpkin and milk. We should eat green leafy vegetable, mangoes, carrot, papaya, eggs yolk, pumpkin and milk to avoid this type of deficiency disease. The second is beriberi. In this disease, it affects eyes, skin, growth and formation of blood and muscles. Beriberi diseases occur due to the lack of vitamin B. So that is why we have to eat cereals, beans, brown rice, yeast, meat and peas. If we eat cereals, beans, brown rice, yeast, meat and peas, we have no problem of this type of disease. The third is scurvy. And how it affects the body? It bleeding gums and swollen joints. Scurvy diseases happen due to the lack of vitamin C. So, it is said that citrus fruit, amla, plums, lemon, tomato and strawberry should be eaten in this type of deficiency disease. The fourth is rickets. The fourth is rickets. And how it affect the body? By this disease, the bones become soft and bend easily. Rickets is happen or caused due to the lack of vitamin D. So it is said that we should eat milk, fish, cod liver oil and eggs. If we drink milk, eat fish, cod liver oil and eggs, so rickets do not happen. This disease should be avoided. The next is goitre. How it affect the body? In this, swelling of neck regions. This disease occur due to the lack of iodine in salt. So it is said that we should take iodized salt and seafood. The next is anemia. And how it affect the body? Patient become tired easily. This diseases occur due to the lack of iron. This disease is occur due to the lack of iron. So it is said that we should eat green leafy vegetables, raisins, dates, apple, meat and mango. Now we have to understand, match the following columns. The first is malaria and you have to match it with protozoa. The next is vaccination and you have to match it with prevention of disease. Next is vitamin D. You have to match it with rickets. The next is allergies and you have to match it with non-communicable. Next is dengue and you have to match it with virus.